giant asteroid, which they had basically maneuvered into position, and it was coming in to hit the Earth, and it was going to wipe out life on Earth as we know it. Now, this does not mean that I'm predicting that an asteroid is coming. It's a symbol. It's not a literal prediction that asteroids are coming.
It's a symbol for something that is coming.
It's a symbol for an attempt to, shall we say, lighten the load of planetary population by a substantial amount.
Good point.
And so what happened, which is just, I mean, it was so astonishing that it actually just brought tears to my eyes. And again, it sounds Christian, but this is just one way of many to describe this. But here's what happened. All of a sudden, there was an apparition of Mother Mary that appeared, and it was so huge that her waist was at the cloud line. I mean, this is much, much larger than any skyscraper. It was so colossal in size that, you know, you could have been hundreds of miles away and still seen it.
And let's preface this, David. I've never known you to be outwardly religious. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you are.
I would say that I'm spiritual, and I would say that I embrace the underlying truth that religions hold, which is service to others and the importance of one creator.
Okay.
But no, as far as religions go, I think when you start getting into all these documents being translated and retranslated, and the fact that you have different ET groups that are giving their philosophies to different people, and then how those philosophies get interpreted, you know, there are some that are close to the truth, some that are farther from the truth, but they all have a grain of familiarity with them once you start understanding and experiencing what the Creator really is, because it is something you appreciate in the now. So anyway, Mother Mary is there, and what she does is she reaches out, and her hand, I focus in on her hand, and she literally stops the asteroid with her hand. And she gets it halfway slowed down at first, and then she seems to let it go for a while. Then she brings her hand in again, and, you know, the asteroid looks like just a few pieces of gravel in her hand. And then it basically plops to the ground, and it's completely inert, doesn't hit the Earth, doesn't cause any damage, it just kind of plunks down.